Okay guys, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Engineer Deji. So today I'm going to be showing us how to work around popular errors that we might get when trying to connect to Exchange Online service, or generally Microsoft online services. So for instance, here I'm trying to connect to Exchange Online, uh you know so I get this error: the term connect Exchange Online is not recognized, whereas this commandlet is actually correct. So but the reason why my computer is throwing this error is because I have not installed the module to allow me connect to Exchange Online. So all you can just need to verify that the module that is installed on your computer. You can always use the command get module. It is that simple. Then you hit the enter. Right, you see this, just the default modules installed on my PowerShell. So I need to install the Exchange Online module, and then I'll be using the install module name Exchange Online Management. Exchange, oh, I think I didn't spell that right. Exchange Online Management, right? Okay, so it's going to connect to the internet and then pull directly from the Microsoft online database. This might be faster, depending on the speed of your internet and also your computer speed. So I just click on yes, and yes is Y. So I type Y and I hit enter. So you can see that it is installed on the package Exchange Online Management, and this should be done in less than 5 seconds. Right, okay, so this way you can now verify the module has been installed by simply running the command get module again. Yeah, and then you see that I have some extra modules installed on my computer. Right now I can now connect again, connect to Exchange Online. Okay, so this is another major error that you can get when you're trying to connect. It says that this command was the connect Exchange Online command was found in the module, but the module could not be loaded. So it means it has actually found the module, but I need to load the module, right? So and then to load the module, I need to import dash module Exchange all right. Now I'm getting a lot of errors. The specified module HTML management was not loaded because no value module was found. Import, oh, I think I typed the wrong way. Exchange Online Management, pardon me. Okay, so this looks different now. This is one major error that people might get when trying to import the module again. And now this is the final trick that we need to pull. The reason why we're getting this error is because by default this PowerShell has been disabled from running script. So we need to set PowerShell to enable it to run script. To do that, we're going to be setting the execution policy. right? We can check the current execution policy here, and then when you to check that, you could use the get dash execution policy, and then you see it's actually restricted. So I need to set this to unrestricted, and then I'll be able to run any script without worries. So to set it to unrestricted, then I just change this to set execution policy. Then I come here and I said unrestricted, right? And then it asks if I actually want to set that, and then I can say yes. All right, now I have set my execution policy to unrestricted, and then I can run any command. So I can just verify that again by running this. I see it has changed to unrestricted, and then it's changed unrestricted. So now I can now import my Exchange Online management module. Yeah, it's installed successfully, and now I'm free to connect to Exchange Online. Okay, connect Exchange Online, and I see that prompts me to connect to Exchange Online, and I can just sign in with my Exchange Online credentials, the global admin credentials, and it's connecting right here. So here we have I am almost connected. Here we are, I'm connected. So to verify that, I can just get a list of mailboxes in my Exchange Online management. It's my Exchange Online rather. So I just do the get dash mailbox just to test that. Then I use my so this shows it's connected. All right guys, so thank you very much for watching this video, and if you've learned one or two things from this video, please do well to give a thumbs up, and also you can drop a comment in the comment section. I would like to hear what you think, and also do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can continue to get updates on our new videos. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Bye.